Hey there folks, welcome back to another exciting video. Today we are diving deep into the world of phone monitoring apps, shining a light on one of the most talked about apps out there, uMobix. If you ever wondered how to keep tabs on someone's phone without them knowing, then this video is for you. So grab your snacks and let's get started. But before that, here's a word of caution. Monitoring someone without their consent is illegal and unethical, so be careful how you use it. Hope you get it. Now, let's begin with the uMobix review. Alright, so first things first, what exactly is uMobix? Well, it's basically a super sneaky app that lets you secretly monitor what someone does on their phone. From checking their messages to seeing where they have been, uMobix gives you the inside scoop on everything. But how does it work? Glad you asked. uMobix works by installing a little program on the target phone. Once it's on there, it quietly records all the activity without making a peep. Pretty slick, right? Now, let's talk about how to get uMobix on the target phone. If it's an Android, then you'll need to physically get your hands on it for a minute to install the app. But don't worry, it's a breeze. For iPhones, it's even easier. You just need to know their iCloud username and password. Easy peasy. Alright, now let's dive into the fun stuff, the features. uMobix is packed with all kinds of cool tricks to help you play the detective. From checking call logs to snooping on social media, this app does it all. First up, we got call and address book monitoring. Ever wonder who your friend or partner has been chatting with? With uMobix, you can see all their call logs and even check out their contact list. It's like having a private investigator in your pocket. Hold on, there's an additional gem. uMobix grants you a sneak peek into the text messages of the target individual. What's truly remarkable is its ability to track and emphasize deleted text messages, giving you the insight into what they're trying to conceal. This feature makes it effortless for you to uncover hidden conversations and secrets. I almost forgot the most thrilling part: social media monitoring. With uMobix, you can uncover what's happening on your target's favorite social platforms. Let's unravel this feature and see the juicy details it can reveal. First off, let's talk about Facebook. It's the hub of social interactions for many, and uMobix ensures you don't miss a beat. You can delve into their messages, scroll through their posts, and even peek into their friend requests. What's more, uMobix captures deleted messages and posts, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Moving on to WhatsApp, the go-to messaging app for millions worldwide. With uMobix, you gain access to their entire chat history from one-on-one conversations to group chats. You can view shared photos and videos. And yes, uMobix keeps a record even if they attempt to delete messages. Now, let's talk about Snapchat, where messages disappear in the blink of an eye. But with uMobix, these disappearing acts are no match. You can capture screenshots of their snaps, follow their conversations, and keep tabs on the Discover section. It's like having a backstage pass to their Snapchat world. But wait, there's more. uMobix isn't limited to just Facebook, WhatsApp, and Snapchat. It extends its reach to other more popular platforms like Instagram. From likes to comments to direct messages, uMobix provides a comprehensive view of their online interactions. And here's the cherry on top: real-time monitoring. With uMobix, you can witness their social media activity unfold in real time. Whether they're sending a message, posting a photo, or commenting on a friend's status, you'll be in the know instantly. It's like having a front row seat to their digital life. Now, here's where things get really interesting: the keylogger and location tracking. The keylogger records everything they type, so you never miss a beat. And the location tracking lets you see where they have been, which is perfect for worried parents or suspicious partners. And it doesn't stop there. uMobix also lets you check out their browsing history, even access their photos and videos. It's like having a backstage pass to their digital life. But wait, there's more. uMobix goes above and beyond with remote access features. You can secretly listen to what's happening around their phone, see live video footage, and even take pictures remotely. This is some James Bond level stuff. Now you're probably wondering, how much does all this monitoring app cost? Well, uMobix offers different subscription plans to fit every budget, so you can choose the one that works for you. But before you rush to download uMobix, Let's weigh the pros and cons. While it's great for tracking browser history and has a powerful keylogger, it does have its limitations, like the lack of call recording. So what's the bottom line? In my book, uMobix is a solid choice for anyone looking to keep tabs on someone's phone. It's easy to use, packed with features, and most importantly, it gets the job done. And there you have it, folks, your ultimate guide to uMobix. Whether you're a concerned parent, a curious friend, or just someone who loves a good mystery, this app has something for everyone. Thanks for tuning in and happy monitoring. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.